Fourth use. In this use, we can convert one system of units into the others. For example, convert 1 Newton into dynes. Newton is the unit of force in one system and dyne in the new. You may be surprised that I'm saying here one system and the new, because we are not mentioning the name MKS or CGS. We will just say one system or new system or given system or new system. So the dimensional formula for force we all know, that is MLT minus 2. Now given system, N1 is equal to 1, M1 equal to 1 kilogram, L1 is equal to 1 meter, T1 is equal to 1 second, and U1 equal to M1 L1 to 1 T1 minus 2. Here we will mention 1 1 1. This 1 1 corresponds to the given system. Now in the new system we have to find N2. M2 is 1 gram, L2 is 1 centimeter, T2 is 1 second, and U2 M2 to 1 L2 to 1 T2 minus 2. Now, using the concept of the principle of fundamental equation of units, N1 U1 equal to N2 U2, you find N2 is equal to N1 U1 upon U2. So N1 is given to us 1, so we'll place it here 1. U1 M1 L1 T minus 2, U2 M2 L2 to 1 T2 minus 2. Now we'll place the value of M1 as 1 kilogram, L1 is 1 meter, T1 is 1 second, M2 is 1 gram, L2 is 1 centimeter, T2 is 1 second. So by putting the value of 1000 gram 100 centimeter 1 second minus 2, 1 gram centimeter second minus 2, as you see gram gets cancelled, centimeter gets cancelled, second gets cancelled, N2 equal to 10 to raise power 5. So N1 U1 equal to N2 U2, so 1 Newton is equal to 10 to raise power 5 times. Now students, I will be teaching you determination of heights and distances. Well, first of all, height of an inaccessible object. What is an inaccessible object which you cannot access easily? For example, we have a tower whose height is h and we have to determine h, but it is not accessible. Accessible means we cannot measure directly the distance of the tower either from Q or from O. What we do is we place an instrument called sextant which is used to determine the angle theta 1. We focus the sextant here and we form an angle of elevation theta 1. But now we slip to the position O by a distance x. Again we place the sextant here and the angle is theta 2. Now students, theta 2, theta 1 are known to us, the angle of elevations by sextant. Now using the concept of the trigonometry, we'll take the right angle triangle OPM. In right angle triangle OPM, tangent theta 2 equal to h upon OM, and OM is equal to h upon tan theta 2, and OM is equal to h cot theta 2. In right angle triangle PQM, you'll find QM is equal to h cot theta 1. Now students, x is OM minus QM. As you can see, x is OM minus QM. Then x is equal to OM is h cot theta 2 and QM h cot theta 1. We take h common, cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. Hence h is equal to x upon cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. This is how, knowing theta 1, theta 2 and x, we can find the height of an inaccessible object. एक मिनट, check. Parallax method. Parallax method generally confuses the mind of the close and observe its position. Now close the other eye, observe its position. You will find, students, when you observe it from one eye or the other eye, there is a shift in the position of the finger, right? Okay. As close another eye, now note the position, now open eyes. Now tell me, what did you notice? Yeah, you have noticed that there is a shift in the position of the finger. Now cut to, place the finger just in front of your nose. The God must have given you the nose right in between your two eyes, mind it. So place your finger between two eyes and just in front of your nose. Now you close either eye. When you close either eye, you find that there is no shift in the position of the object. Conclusion, you have removed the parallax. Did you understand what is parallax? Parallax means the apparent removal of the shift of an object when seen from two different positions is called parallax. Thank you. Determination of distance of a star. I'll tell you one thing, we cannot measure the distance of a star whose distance is more than 100 light years away. The reason is that when the distance of star is more than 100 light years away, the angle subtended is very difficult to determine. What we do is we consider a star which is below 100 light years away. So we consider a such star S which is 100 light years below 100 light years away. Now we are on Earth, and on June 21, suppose we place our sextant here and we focus at this star. At the same time, we have to choose one star, say N, let it be a pole star, and when we focus at the pole star, then we measure an angle theta1. Now students, June 21, 6 months later, December 21, the Earth is just opposite to the position where it was on June 21, that is December 21. Now you focus the same pole star, let its position be N dash, right, and the angle is theta 2. Let me tell you one thing, there may be a confusion among you in your mind that how the same star is visible after 6 months. Look, when you travel around a distance of 50 to 60 kilometers from your house on a full moon day, then you will find that the moon position is apparently slightly changed, but the moon is yet visible. Same way, the star position apparently slightly may be changed, but it is visible. So that is why we have mentioned the angle theta 2 here. And AB is the diameter of the Earth orbit, that you know very well. And from here we drop one perpendicular SO. Now students, angle NAS is theta 1, angle ASO is theta 1, that is an alternating angle. Here N dash B is theta 2 and OSB is theta 2. So this is again an alternating angle. Theta 1 plus theta 2 will give us theta. There is one famous concept that angle is equal to arc upon radius. Here arc is AB and radius is SO or SA or SB. You may be surprised that SA, SO, SB, they are nearly equal. Basically we are doing study of comparisons, so we can neglect their slight differences, as angle is equal to arc upon radius. AB is like an arc upon radius. AB is nothing but an arc of a circle whose radius is very large. That's why we can take it as a straight line. So AB upon SA. SA is theta. Theta is theta 1 plus theta 2. So knowing theta 1 and theta 2, we can find SA as AB is known to you, the diameter of the Earth orbit.
सुरेश पर बात कर करो या सुरेश एक बार फिर करो वन मोर चल कबीर सामने देखना कबीर सारे ताड़ियां बजानी कट के मुझ पा रहा है उधर मुझ चल कोई नहीं हाँ जी जरा सामने कुबेर कबीर यहाँ पे। हाँ जी सामने देखना जी। हाँ जी सामने जी। आंटी तुझे देखो सामने। थोड़ा सामने तो देखो आप। हाँ जी मैम। मैम सामने मैम।
ये पहले ऊपर का सारा निकाल देना है, ऊपर का सारा निकाल के प्लेट में डाल देना।
हाँ जी मैम सामने देख रहे हैं। बॉस थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा पीछे। हाँ जी सर। हाँ जी मैम। हाँ जी सर जरा थोड़ा साथ में हो जाओ जी। ठीक है।
चम्मच दिया है।
भगवान लगे। थोड़ा ऊपर से। कितने घंटे हो यस। हाँ छोटू साथ में जाओ। यस।
मैं कर दूंगा, इसको रहने दो, कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं आ सकता।
बरोबर डिटेल लेकर रखा बच्चा देखना बहुत लग रहा है नेचुरल